All right, I have got very fantastic way of learning cloud and DevOps. I have got this from somewhere. Let me start something. I'm going through it. I have gone through few videos, but what I don't understand is every other video has somewhere Git integrated. But what is Git? Why we are using it? I don't know. You are also stuck with this thought, correct? So let me tell you, we are now coming up with the second prerequisite of the Cloud DevOps section. So earlier we have covered Linux as a first prerequisite where I have shown you some practical lab and we have the series there uploaded. You can surely go ahead and watch every other video resides in this playlist. Now the second prerequisite we do have is Git. So you must have seen other videos, other playlists wherein I have used Git, but for non-tech users or for the beginners who are not aware of what Git is. So let me tell you, Git is the very important section of Cloud DevOps. So every other code requires to be checked in on GitHub. However, before I jump on to the topic and elaborate it fully, let me tell you, I have also uploaded the certain lab exercise for you. I have it opened up here. But if you're not bothered about it, just bothered about the commands with some branching strategy, you can go ahead and download this as well. But I just have opened up this particular lab wherein we will be covering some Git operations and we'll do the hands-on. So we'll first cover Git setup, repo, tracking files, and then ignoring files. Then we'll move on to some branching thing where we'll be covering all of it, and then real world Git scenarios where we'll be having some more other infra related stuff. But again, I haven't talked about what is Git and what is document is all about. So this document is just a workbook for you guys for Git operations, and this covers your setup, your file tracking, like I said, branching and the collaboration. And Git is nothing but a distributed version control system. We call it VCS that tracks and changes, enabling collaboration and rollback. And we have some essential commands, including version check and configuring user details, initializing the repository, and checking up the status for Git, followed by some other topics and their associated commands. All right. So let's focus on if somebody asks you what is Git, you have the answer. Git is a distributed version control system that tracks every change in your project. It allows safe collaboration and rollback. And when you work on the production environment before writing the production code, every developer must configure and initialize Git correctly. All right. And once we go through this, I'll surely talk about init status as well and how it works when you create the local project folder in the next video. So we'll now start from here, the hands-on lab section.